Mastering how about. Making suggestions like a pro. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase, how about. We're going to focus on how you can use how about for making suggestions in common situations. This is a fantastic way to engage more naturally and confidently in English conversations. Let's get started. Firstly, what does how about mean? When we use how about, we're suggesting an idea or a possibility to someone. It's a polite way to put forward a suggestion, and it can be used in a wide variety of situations. Remember, the phrase how about is followed by a noun, a pronoun, or the ing form of a verb. For example, how about pizza for dinner? Or, how about going to the cinema? Social situations are where how about really shines. If you're planning a day out with friends or discussing what movie to watch, how about is perfect for making suggestions. Let's look at some examples. Planning a meeting point. How about we meet at the coffee shop on Main Street? Deciding on a movie. How about watching the new action movie tonight? Suggesting a weekend activity. How about going for a hike this Sunday? These examples show you can use how about to make your English conversations more natural and flexible. How about isn't just for casual conversations. It can be used in professional situations too. It's a polite and non-forceful way to propose ideas. Here are some instances where how about can be used in a professional setting. Planning a meeting time. How about we schedule the meeting for 2 p.m.? Proposing a strategy. How about we focus our marketing efforts on social media? Suggesting a break. How about we take a short break before reviewing the budget? Remember, even in a professional setting, how about makes your language sound more natural and less rigid. And that's it for today, learners. Using how about is a fantastic way to make suggestions in both casual and professional contexts. Practice incorporating how about into your everyday conversations, and you'll soon find it comes naturally to you. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident and fluent in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Until next time, happy learning!